Hi, I'm Sam with Conveyor and Caster, and today we're changing chair cast. If you've ever worked in an office before, you know the importance of a peaceful and quiet environment, and this sound ruins it. However, it doesn't have to be this way. I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to fix this by getting rid of these nylon wheels. So to start, we're going to have to pick the right casters. We recommend our 3-inch quiet neoprene protective casters. These are going to be great for hard floors like vinyl or hardwood. So the reason we recommend this 3-inch caster is because it has the dust cap, protects from any unwanted debris. Along with that, it is chrome, very easy to clean up, and then we also have the neoprene wheel, which is non-marking, quiet, and very easy to roll. So to start, we recommend getting the chair in a good position to be worked on. So what we always recommend is flipping the chair upside down, put the arms on the ground, and gives it a nice stable base. So the two tools you'll need for this, a wide flathead screwdriver and a mallet. So what we're going to want to do next is we're going to get to our standard base right here and remove all the chair casters. Sometimes they'll come out with a little bit of force, but if you want them to come out really easy, just pop the screwdriver in there. Now that we have all the old casters out, we're going to go ahead and put the new casters in. So usually these casters will go right into the socket. Sometimes though, you're going to have to get a little bit more force, so that's what the mallet's for. Make sure when you are putting it in though, you do not hit the wheel, you hit the raceway down here. So final step is we're going to flip the chair back up onto its base. Before you sit on it, make sure none of the grip ring is showing, that it's flush against the sockets, and then you're good to go. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and send us a like below.
Conveyor and Caster. Total Warehouse Solutions.